Have you ever tried feeding a complex PDF, a messy receipt, or a dense financial report into an AI, only for it to completely scramble the text? Traditional OCR is broken, it uses too many moving parts, and it fails when things get complicated. But today, that completely changes. Welcome back to Mike's AI Forge. Look at what Baidu just dropped, Qianfan-OCR. This isn't just another text scanner. This is a massive leap forward in computer vision. It turns OCR from a clunky stack of chain tools into one unified promptable document intelligence model. Instead of detecting, then recognizing, then stitching it all together, Qianfan-OCR takes the image in, structurally reasons it, and outputs the exact format you asked for. And the benchmarks? They are absolutely destroying the competition. Before we break down exactly how this model achieves this, listen closely. If you want to integrate autonomous AI models like this into your own business and actually make money doing it, click the first link in the description. Join my private school community, AI Money Forge. We are building the future of AI automation right now, and you need to be inside. Now, let's look at the data. On the OmniDocBench benchmark, this model hits a massive 93.12, outperforming Qwen2 VL, DeepSeek OCR, and completely crushing Gemini 1.5 Pro. But how does a lightweight 4 billion parameter model beat the massive tech giants? The secret sauce is a brand new architecture called Layout as Thought. Before the model even begins generating your output, it runs an optional reasoning pass. It actively thinks through the bounding boxes, the element types, and the reading order. It literally maps out the physical structure of the document in its mind before answering your prompt. Whether you are looking at multi-column news articles, complex mathematical formulas, or tangled data tables, this model preserves the exact structure. It keeps the context alive. Under the hood, it is utilizing a Qwen3 4 billion parameter language backbone fed by a highly specialized vision stack. This is enterprise-grade document parsing, available right now. Now, what I love most about this release is the honesty. Right here in their reality check section, they admit that this isn't some magical universal superbrain. It is a highly specialized tool. It is built for production and it has real serving weight. It is designed to do one thing flawlessly: extract and understand complex documents. Let's jump over to Hugging Face. The model is live and open right now. You can see the full model card, the supported tasks, and the exact evaluation metrics. It supports over 192 languages. If you scroll down, they give you the exact Python code to get this running locally. You can pull the model, load your images, and build actual software as a service products on top of this today. And the broader AI community is already catching on. Over on X, the AI Native Foundation just broke down the official research paper. The methodology proves that giving an AI spatial awareness, allowing it to fundamentally understand the physical layout of a page, drastically improves its logical reasoning. This isn't just hype on a landing page. This is peer-reviewed, state-of-the-art artificial intelligence. Now here's the million-dollar question. What are you going to do with this technology? Are you just going to read the research papers, or are you going to build systems that generate actual revenue? This is exactly why I created the AI Money Forge. I am tired of seeing people rent AI from massive corporations. It is time to start owning your AI. When you join the Forge, you aren't just getting access to a chat forum. Look at the Classroom tab. You are unlocking my complete AI Money Systems course, Make.com automation templates, and step-by-step blueprints for building a highly profitable AI business. And look at this specific lesson right here. OpenClaw plus Allama. I show you exactly how to take open source models, just like the one we reviewed today, run them locally on your own hardware, and create a fully autonomous AI agent. An agent that reads your emails, manages your files, and executes code without ever sending your private data to the cloud. You get the code, you get the blueprints, and you get direct access to me and hundreds of other builders. The AI wealth transfer is happening right now. Don't get left behind. Click the link in the description, join AI Money Forge, and let's get to work. Drop a like on this video, hit subscribe, and I will see you inside the Forge.